Tesla is often described as a car company. That description is incomplete. Tesla isn't competing on cars. It's competing on manufacturing, software, and scale. And that changes everything. Most automakers outsource complexity. Tesla absorbs it. Instead of relying on suppliers, Tesla builds batteries, software, factories, and even chips in-house. This isn't about control. It's about speed. Traditional car manufacturers optimize for model cycles. Tesla optimizes for factories. Its real innovation isn't the car. It's how the car is built. Gigafactories are designed like machines. Every step is simplified. Every part is reduced. Fewer components. Faster assembly. Lower cost. Tesla treats manufacturing as a product. And like software, it improves over time. Each factory learns from the last. Each iteration gets cheaper, more efficient, more scalable. This is vertical integration, but not for prestige, for margins. While competitors negotiate with suppliers, Tesla rewrites the process. Battery chemistry, casting techniques, production layout. Everything is optimized as a system. This allows Tesla to do something others can't. Lower prices without collapsing margins. Price cuts aren't desperation. They're leverage. When costs fall faster than prices, market share expands. And weaker competitors feel the pressure. But manufacturing alone isn't the full story. Tesla cars don't stop improving after purchase. They get better. Software updates change performance. Features unlock later. Data keeps flowing. Every car becomes a sensor. Tesla doesn't just sell vehicles. It collects real-world driving data at massive scale. That data feeds autonomy systems, which improve future vehicles. This creates a feedback loop. More cars, more data. Better software, lower costs, more cars. No traditional automaker operates this way. Most are still selling static products. Tesla sells a platform. Then there's energy, often ignored, often misunderstood. Tesla builds batteries not just for cars, but for homes, businesses, power grids. Energy storage solves a real problem. Renewables are intermittent. Batteries stabilize supply. And demand is growing. Cars generate attention. Energy generates long-term stability. Together, they reinforce each other. At the center of all this is one idea. Margins matter more than volume. Selling more cars doesn't win. Building better systems does. Systems that compound efficiency over time. Tesla's advantage isn't electric vehicles. It's the structure behind them. If this strategy works long-term, Tesla doesn't just compete with automakers. It competes with supply chains, utilities, and manufacturing itself. This isn't about hype or personalities. It's about strategy. And this is only one layer. That's the strategy layer. Thanks for watching.